We're spa ready.
How badly I need you now. I need you now. I need you now.
Let me just say that massage was the best massage of my life. I mean, like, I didn't really ever had a massage before, but you know, I really enjoyed that. It was really relaxing. I definitely recommend you going to the spa and getting a massage because honestly, I had a great time. I was so relaxed. I felt so good about myself. Are you gonna cry? Are you gonna? She's gonna cry. Mom, are you gonna cry? Don't cry, Mom. I know it's gonna cry. Don't. Dad, we're sitting right next to each other.
Yes.
You're getting your manicure? Dad, what are you getting?
You guys are gonna be jealous.
Dad, what are you getting?
Huh?
What are you getting?
I'm getting clear sparkly clear on my forefingers, but my pinky I'm getting black.
Why do you want to do that?
I don't know, be different.
And we're gonna be jealous of you?
Absolutely.
Lindsay, what is my dad doing? Hi, Dad. Hi, Mom. You got green? Show me your nails.
I want to take a picture when all four of us are done and we're all four of us together.
Okay, so we're going out to dinner tonight. Tonight's fancy, as you can tell. And we're going to Momo?
Momo.
Momo. We are going to Momo at the Sunrise Hotel. So we have to go a hotel over from where we are now. And it's hibachi. So let's go. Nice hike over to the Sunrise. So much seaweed. Let's go bowling. Okay, I think we're just bowling in style. I mean, like... Straight.
He's not gonna get stranded right now. How much you want to bet?
Dad!
You need to get a large.
I think my thumb about to.
I'm gonna beat you like this. You're officially in last.
I suck. I officially lost. Officially. I suck. Dad? Already 2 strikes in the last one. Come on, turkey it.
Oh, wait. Wait for it.
So, I'm old, but I can't be wearing this because I just came back from
suck.
dinner. I just came back from dinner. So guess what I did? I tied this around my hips. And I tuck it. There we go.
And we call it the Lopper.
The what? Lindsay. She also tied it around her waist as well. Inventive.
Or should I just wear it like
Yeah, no, Lindsay, take them off.
for real?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah. Okay, everyone, we are on day Cancun, and it's really shaky because we're on a golf cart right now. But we're heading over to the Sunrise Hotel, which is 2 hotels over from where we're staying, to do swimming with the dolphins. I'm not sure if I can record it because we're not allowed to have camera, phones, jewelry, anything when we go over there. Yeah, we were not allowed to do any pictures or videos during the Dolphin Discovery Tour excursion. We weren't allowed to bring our phones out, we weren't allowed to wear jewelry, we weren't allowed to do anything. So we had to buy pictures through the company. So here's a picture montage of me with dolphins.
My blood pressure is at an all-time high.
Thank you guys so much for watching my vlog today. I hope you guys enjoy it. Like and subscribe for more if you want to watch more. I'm going to be uploading my next vlog sometime soon, so be on the lookout for that. And I hope you enjoy. Bye guys!